So, welcome back again to Miss Chuukese's video. Our video is about eating this Cinnabon. We are going to eat a Chuukbang Mukbang Cinnabon bang. So my daughter and I will be eating a Chuukbang Mukbang Cinnabon, but it's gonna be Cinnabon bang. Okay. Okay, there is my princess right there. What's your name?
My name is Katie.
And what you gonna be doing?
Eating
What would you be eating?
cinnamon.
Like what you call that?
Huh?
Okay, so her, Kiki, and her Chuukese's fiance, mother, we are going to eat our Chuukese's Chuukbang Mukbang Cinnabon bun bread. So there is our Cinnabon. When we were living in Hawaii, excuse me, don't make it too noisy. Get the fork, please. When we used to live in Hawaii or 808, our best place to go get this Cinnabon is at the Burridge Mall. I'm not sure if they sell it at Anamoana Mall, but our place to go that I would always go just to buy this Cinnabon, which is really delicious.
Hey, have you downloaded it yet?
Very yumma.
Huh?
So finally we saw our place up here again. If you wanna go find out where to get this Cinnabon roll, it is at the Vancouver Mall.
Are you playing piggy?
Here in Vancouver. So this is a great, delicious Cinnabon. So I'm gonna try to taste some of what they have here. Excuse me. So Cinnabon. We'll be eating our Chuukbang Cinnabon. Chuukbang Mukbang Cinnabon. So I will get mine from here. We cannot. There's like this
Still
size.
hot.
This size is like 2, 4, 6. Then it's 12 pieces in one box, and it cost us like $20. So it's $20 for one box, 12 dozen Cinnabon. So how did you eat it as a mukbang, chuukbang, Cinnabon, and that's how you eat it. This is how I eat it. That tastes good. I'm trying to eat like the Korean people do eat their mukbang. Cause it tastes so omelette. I should stop talking. See, try to look at here. Right there. The gravy is so delicious.
It's not gravy.
It's chocolate.
It's cinnamon.
Chocolate, this one. Chocolate gravy.
That's chocolate?
Yeah. So, if you want to find out where they sell this, they sell it at Vancouver Mall. That's where they sell it at. It's like the bigger ones. It's like $5 something, right? I think so. And because my kids and I love Cinnabon, even though it's expensive, we still go buy it. And I'm a Fidiasai baker. I love baking, and I know how to make Cinnabon, but this one is the best. And now we're just eating it as our Mukbang Chuukbang Cinnabon bun. And if you love watching our videos, my kids and I, we please humbly ask you to support us and subscribe to our channel on YouTube channel, our YouTube videos as Chuukese Videosai. And don't forget to press that bell button on the left, please. Okay? So, thank you again. See you again tomorrow or the next day or the next day or next few hours or next year. Kiriso, tiro, fairo, bye, peace.